Hi, can lemon peels really be used to keep your house sparkling? The answer, believe it or not, is yes. Lemon or any citrus peels, when fermented for a period of 90 days, gives us liquid gold. This liquid is called bioenzyme. Bioenzyme in itself can be used in a variety of ways around the house. But when we add some plant based surfactants and essential oils, it gives the effect of as good as chemical cleaners. It's unbelievable. Today, I'm going to tell you 5 ways that you can use plain citrus bioenzyme around the house. 1. As a floor cleaner. It won't smell, and the smell, anyways, has nothing to do with the cleaning properties. But over time, your house will be sparkling. The way you use your chemical floor cleaner, just pour the bioenzyme directly into your water and mop your floors. The wastewater can also be used to water your plants. This shows, one, how eco-friendly it is, and two, after a period of time, you will find your floors becoming cleaner. Practical proof: if you go barefoot and your feet are a little black at the end of the day, that will stop happening. And this is because bioenzyme has two amazing properties. One is residual cleaning. Residual cleaning means the enzymes remain on the surface even after it's been wiped. So the enzymes continue to clean the floors even after the cleaning has taken place. The second is VOCs. VOCs is basically a kind of pollution that you have in the air. It is known as volatile organic compounds. Even when your floor is wiped, the enzymes act on the air and disintegrate the VOCs into carbon dioxide and water. So it reduces your indoor air pollution. The second way we can use bioenzyme in our houses is as a deodorizer. Not an air freshener, it won't give you this strong smell, but it will deodorize what is required. Dilute the bioenzyme in a ratio of 1 part bioenzyme to 10 parts water. Keep it in a spray bottle and spray wherever you have a bad smell. The dustbins, your shoe closets, even mattresses that have pee smell or your pet has done something on it, the smell will vanish in minutes. Number 3, a sanitizer. Again, like the deodorizer, dilute it, keep it in a spray bottle and keep it in your purse. On the go, whenever you need to wipe your hands, clean your hands, sanitize your hands before eating, after eating, it works beautifully. This liquid can also be used on tabletops and other surfaces where you need sanitization. Number 4, as a fruit and vegetable wash. Soak your fruits and vegetables in bioenzyme for 15 to 20 minutes. It'll take care of a lot of issues. Not only that, you will find that your fruits and vegetables stay fresher for longer. But make sure you dry them well before keeping them in the fridge. And number 5, last but not least, you can use it as a laundry wash. Mix it in your water and wash your clothes. It's not the most effective stain remover. That's why in Earthy's laundry wash, we add surfactants to help remove stains. But if you have clothes that are worn just lightly and they have only a little bit of dust and grime or just sweat smell, bioenzyme will work beautifully to clean them, and it's good for your skin. No residues, nothing. So switching to bioenzyme based products which are natural, eco-friendly and completely safe is a great way to increase or up the health quotient in your family. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more. Bye.